exporting a tool from the ToolManageriQ database into GibbsCAM is quick and easy, but you may run into a few things depending on what tools already exist in your program. When you save a tool, it saves its ideal pocket. So if there's already a tool in that pocket, you may have a conflict. I'll start off with showing one with no conflict. So I would select the tool in the list, and I would press the Export to Gibbs button. You can see here my tool has appeared. And it appeared in that pocket because that's the one it was assigned to. I can always change that in ToolManageriQ or now move it in GibbsCAM. If I go to a tool that is assigned a pocket that there's already a tool in, that's when I'll have some options. I try to export this drill. It sees that that pocket is taken, and I can either replace the current tool that's in that pocket with this one. I can add the tool at the end of the list after the last tool, or I can insert the tool, which will insert it in the first available pocket. Whether you run into that or not, it's very seamless. Everything's carried over, so now those tools are ready to go.